One of the biggest misunderstandings I encounter is the belief that a standard homeowner's policy automatically covers natural disasters. Unfortunately, that's not always true. Floods and earthquakes, for example, are typically excluded from most standard policies and require separate coverage. Even windstorm coverage can vary by region and carrier. That's why reviewing your policy once a year is essential, especially if you've made renovations or your property value has changed. When we review policies at JMW, we look for three things. First, your dwelling coverage. Does it reflect the current rebuild cost, not the market value? Second, your personal property limit. Would it actually replace everything you own? Third, your deductible. Can you afford it comfortably if you had to file a claim tomorrow? We walk our clients through each line so they fully understand what's covered and what isn't. Clarity brings peace of mind. Let's make sure your home and everything in it are properly protected. https://jmwinsurancesolutions.com/homeowners insurance.